Efficiently remove debris from raw water intake systems with the Atlas SSI GatorRake. Atlas SSI, protecting your critical downstream processes. When you think of sustainability, blockages and differential head loss are not what come to mind, but is a common reality when managing large volumes of water. The Atlas SSI GatorRake leads the industry in screening your waterways to efficiently remove debris under the toughest loading conditions. Utilizing advanced engineering, experience, and rugged construction, the GatorRake is designed for harsh weather conditions with real-time monitoring and remote operation with the ability to fit into canals or water intake openings. The non-metallic teeth and bolt-on design prevents wear and helps extend the life of the machine, saving you time and money on repairs. Is your intake at an unmanned location? No problem. Our GatorRakes can be equipped to run fully automated when using our smart screen technology. Think ultrasonic differential level indicators, automatic timers, and local manual overrides. Protecting your critical downstream processes and infrastructure assets is a critical job. With factory-trained technicians and certified commercial divers, Atlas SSI can handle all of your project needs, including turnkey installations, inspections, and on-site repair. We can even rebuild your existing rake screens.